Welcome to the video series that's all about climbing the ladder of vibration and manifesting the life of your dreams. I'm Stephanie Mula, and today we are going to be talking about shifting our money mindset away from scarcity and into a higher vibrating level of abundance. So here's the thing that happens so often with people who are operating from a position of scarcity, which is vibrating at a very low level, and instead what they need to be doing is vibrating at a level where it comes to money that is all about abundance, not a lack mentality, not scarcity, so that every time you get your paycheck that you spend every penny of it because you're afraid you're never going to get any more. And a lot of times people will say, well, I have bills to pay, or I have this that needs to be taken care of and that needs to be taken care of, so there's no way I can put any money away or put any money aside. I just can't make ends meet. And, there's not enough month left at the end of the money, or there's not enough money left at the end of the month. It's one of those things that they always say that we've heard from our childhood, or we heard parents say when we were young. Those types of things are the things that are going to keep that scarcity mentality ingrained in you. So how do we make this shift from scarcity to abundance? Well, I'm going to tell you a little trick that I heard about years ago, and truthfully, I do to this day. It all starts with this $100 bill. Now, for you, maybe it's a 20, maybe it's a 50, or maybe it's a denomination even larger than my $100 bill. But here's what I learned. You take this $100 bill and tuck it away in your purse, or tuck it away in your wallet or your billfold, and leave it there. It's not about spending it. It's not about really the fact that you're saving it. It's about the fact that it's there. And what you're telling the universe is, I don't need to use it. I have it. It's there for an emergency. But I don't believe that emergency is ever going to arise, because I am living in an abundant world. I'm living in a state where I have so much opportunity and so much wealth and abundance that is coming to me that I don't need to open my purse and get out this $100 bill and just tuck it away. Now, truthfully, I've done this, and there are times where months and years go by and I literally forget that it's even there. And my subconscious doesn't, though. And that's the thing. That is really what we're working on with this technique, is putting that into your subconscious, that you believe in the abundance. You are welcoming the opportunity for shifting your vibration from a low level to a high level, because you are not going to buy into the scarcity mentality. And if you have to start this with a 20, that's perfectly fine. If you have to start it with a 50, that's fine too. Because you know what? Just doing it is going to start having abundance flow into your immediate surroundings, such that after a very small amount of time, you're going to have an opportunity to switch out the 20 for a 50, or switch out the 50 for 100. And that is what I want for you, is to be able to move through the concept of scarcity versus abundance, climb the ladder of vibration, shift into a higher level, and manifest the life of your dreams. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, click the like button below, and if you know of anyone who would benefit from this message, please feel free to share it with them. And until next time, keep climbing that ladder of vibration.